right, well, with the recent release of the Air Jordan 4 White Cement, and you guys know I like to bring you guys different content idea. We've done this segment before, and I like it because it really goes ahead and helps you guys out from the comments I get. And if you like your laces to look something like this, as you see right here, or as you see right here, rocking the knot lace, well, stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you the 3 ways of how I lace up the Air Jordan 4 White Cement. And in my opinion, this is one of the best sneakers that have dropped this year. Seriously. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Sit back and relax. Here we go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefer. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Hey, we are coming to the end of the month of May, and in terms of sneakers, what a month it has been. But in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm bringing you guys yet another sneaker, not so much sneaker review, but another segment, there we go, of a segment I usually like to go ahead and do for you guys, and that is the 3 ways of how I lace up my sneakers for 2025. And if you guys have seen my last video, then you guys already know the sneaker that we're going to be doing it on is the newest release, which is the Air Jordan 4 White Cement. And I'm going to be going over the breakdown on the 3 different ways. As you see right here, we're rocking the bunny lace, and then we have the knot lace. So it's just a way for me to kind of go ahead and give you guys different styles when it comes to your actual lacing when you rock your sneakers. And I really do like making these segments, and based on the feedback that you guys give me, you guys enjoy them too. But before we go ahead and actually take a look into the 3 ways that I lace up my sneakers, I am going to go ahead and give you guys your kudos, and I got to give you guys your shout outs because I greatly appreciate you guys each and every single time I drop a video for you guys. So with all of that said, let's get started. All right. So first and foremost, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It is greatly appreciated. I want you guys to know I love you very, very much. All that you do on this journey with the channel, it just means a tremendous amount. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, engage with the content, engage with the short content. It really does mean a lot to me. The goal this year is 10K, and we're slowly, man, we are creeping up. I think, like I said, the last video, we're about 2,000 away, so we're gonna get there, seriously, but I can't do it without your guys' help. So if you also want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and let me know how you're feeling today. Let me know how you feel about the content, any of the long form content, any of the short form content. And it's a way for me to go ahead and give back to you guys. That way you can see that I actually really do care about y'all. I love you guys. And like I did go ahead and say in previous videos, it's not me, it is we. So if you want to get featured like you see right here, you just got to comment down below and engage with that channel. So without further ado, now I'm showing you the 3 ways on how I lace up the Air Jordan 4 White Cement. Let's go. All right, real quick, I'm gonna go behind the camera here shortly, and I'm gonna show you the 3 different ways of how I lace up the Air Jordan 4 White Cement. Take your time with it. I know there's a lot of different lace styles out there, but these are like the 3 ways that I find very easy and very, like I said, easy to follow, just because you guys can go ahead and watch it, you can check it out, and you can actually have just different styles. A lot of it really is just taking your time and like being patient with it. And I mean, you know, you can go ahead and rewind the video. That way you can go ahead and watch it even more and more. And I promise you, a lot of these aren't hard. They're just taking your time. So without further ado, let's begin this right now. Let's go. All right, family, here we go. So starting with the very first lace style, we are doing the bunny lace. And this one's really easy because you just really have to go ahead and follow along and slowly do it. So check me out. So what we're gonna do is I take the eyelet, or excuse me, I take my laces, right? And I always go ahead and take them all out from the very beginning. That way you guys can follow along easily. But you take the very first one, and you feed it under, through it like so. You take this one as well, and then you feed it like so. I like to make my laces not super tight, but just to the point where you're not choking it. You don't want your laces to look choked up. Like, that's not what we want here. I've been seeing a lot of people's laces, and I'm like, man, why do they look so choked for? You take it like so, adjust those laces with need be. There we go. Then you're gonna go ahead and take it, feed it through. Feed it through, feed it through. Let me know if you guys went ahead and got a pair of these too. I know a lot of people were excited for this to return. I know I was, cause what? This is one of those colorways that you're like, oh man, I've always wanted as a kid. So you just keep feeding it through, kind of keep adjusting your laces, make sure it's nice and not too tight, but not too loose. Follow along. And then for me, what I do is, I know a lot of you guys were talking to me about this, and like when I did it for my SB4s, you're like, why do you go ahead for the flaps? Why do you keep it like that? I don't know, I like the way the style looks for it. So for me, once I get to the very last one, I'll go ahead and do some adjusting here. Hang tight. I go over here and I feed it through here, and I feed it through the very first eyelet. See it? That one. That one. And usually I know a lot of people will put it through the actual flaps, but I don't do that because I kind of like the way it looks. So I'll take it, I just tie a knot, and after you tie a knot, you make just a regular lace, you know, like bunny ears, and then boom, when you're done, it should look something like this. Let me go ahead and redo it actually, just because I kind of wanted to make it just look a little bit more better, a little better. Tie it, and voila. And then you can adjust the laces too. And you'll probably see when I do the on feet right now, the laces will be adjusted. But that's how they will look. Let me know what you think about them. And I honestly, when it comes to fours, I enjoy the bunny laces a little bit more because I like the way it sits on the actual shoe. But there we go right there. Let's go ahead and put these things on feet and let's talk a little about it. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this one right here, this is the bunny lace, as you can go ahead and see. And like I said, if you just make your laces, not as you're feeding it up, not super tight and not super loose, all the way to the very first eyelet, then you'll get this style. And honestly, I think the bunny lace looks the best on fours, in my opinion, because once you go ahead and you make your lace really tiny and it just sits right there, it just looks overall clean. It's not messy. It's not too tight. It just looks really, really good. So let me know what we think about the bunny lace. Moving on to the second lace style, the loosey goosey. And here we go. All right, family, here we go. Moving on to the second lace style, the loosey goosey. And as you saw, like from the first one, I went ahead and took all of them out, and except the beginning. So same thing. Like the bunny lace, you're gonna take your laces, feed it through the eyelet right here. But for this one, the key for the loosey goosey, honestly, is in the name. You just gotta keep your laces pretty loose, because you keep them loose when you first start out. When you go all the way up to the very end, you're not gonna have like a lot of slack. You don't want to have too much excessive slack, to be honest. I like butchered that, what I was trying to say. You don't want to have too much slack, because then it just looks like they're just hanging and you're like, all right, what do I do now with it, you know? So just follow along. Yo, appreciate y'all for the love though. Appreciate you guys. So seriously, this year we have been staying super consistent, and I love to see it. And I just want to stay more consistent, because I really enjoy doing this for you guys. I really enjoy bringing these videos. To see so many different people come in this community is so fun. So fun. Pay attention, guys. You see how I'm going ahead and, like, while I'm doing it, I'm not doing it too tight. I'm doing it just enough so it's like, it's pretty loose. Just keep following along. What's the next release are you guys excited for? Let me know. What is the next big release that you're excited for? I'm excited for those Great Fives, honestly. I need those next. Those are too good. So as we get up right here, we still have a good amount of slack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually try to adjust just a little bit more. So we're gonna get to the very end. For this one, I'm actually gonna put it through the right here, the flap, just because I kind of like the way it looks like that. I'll do the same thing over here. Same thing over here, and then from there, just feed it through the flap as well. So you get this. Now when you're done, it should look something like this. And mind you, I know if this is a little bit too long, you can just go ahead and adjust it. So what I would end up doing is being like, you know what, this is a little bit too long. Adjust, and hold on, let me adjust it some more. And boom, and you'll get, this is what you'll get with the loosey goosey. You see how that it's not as long as it was before. It's not passing the actual guard right there. If I turn it, same thing. And there we go, right there. That's pretty much how you would do it though. Like I said, you just have to pretty much start when you start from right here and you work your way up, you just have to go nice and slow and make it loose for the loosey goosey. And then you'll get the presentation like that once you finish. I honestly think this looks nice too. Still a big fan of the knot lace, but these are still very, very beautiful. So let's go ahead and put these things on feet right now, guys. Come on. Here we go. We got the loosey goosey lace style. And you know what's funny? I see a lot of people in the community wear their fours with this lace style. I feel like it's one of the things where I think people just like to wear their fours because they're kind of already tight as is. But yeah, like I said, if you go back and you go ahead and you start with it being loose all the way up, when you get to the very top, you won't have a lot of excess lace. And if you do have a lot of excess lace, just kind of go ahead and adjust it and you'll be perfectly fine. But I think this is one, when it comes to Air Jordan 4s, a lot of people I do see in the community do wear. But it's cool to see how it looks though. Now going to the third and final lace, we're talking about the knot lace, and here we go. All right guys, here we go right here. This is the third and final lace style. This is the knot lace, and unlike all the previous laces, the loosey goosey and the bunny lace, I've been having you guys go under. Well, this time we're actually gonna go over, so check me out. So we're gonna go ahead and do, you take your laces and you're gonna go ahead and rather putting it under, you're gonna go over like this. Watch, check it out. And then you do the same with it. So you go over, not under. And same thing, adjust your laces here. Adjust your laces. Feed them through the back right here. And keep going over. And this one actually too, I like this one a lot as well. It's kind of aesthetically pleasing, if that makes sense. Put it right there. This one, kind of the same concept. I don't want mine too tight, but you don't want it too loose as well, because when you go ahead and you're gonna have to put it to the very top, which I'll show you right now, you're gonna be like, you'll see what I mean. Hey, seriously though, guys, if you made it to this far, so if you made this far to the video, hit that like button, man. Hit that like button for the kid, for real. I'm making content every day, making a lot of risk, sacrificing a lot. So hit that like button. It means a lot to me. It really, really does. I want all these other people to see these videos. And one day we'll get that dream of getting to that plaque. So check it out, guys. So we're gonna go ahead. Once you get right here, you can either put it through the the flap, but I don't think I want to do that. I want to see, I'm gonna try something different. I've never done this before, but so once we go to the very top, ooh, gotta adjust my legs, and then So what I'm actually gonna do, yeah, this is a nice little length. So I'm gonna take it. This is how you do it. So once you like it, once you get to your liking up here, that's it. Okay, so you're gonna take it. You grab the very two ends of it like that. Grab these two. You take 2 fingers and you literally go ahead and wrap it like this. Literally wrap it, and then you see how it's like this. You're gonna take this lace and you're gonna tuck it in there. You're gonna tuck it, pull it, and then you're gonna go ahead and slide that. Oop, hold on. Slide it up. Give it a second. Like that. When you're done, it should look something like this. See how it just sits right there? See how it just kind of sits right on the laces? I'll do it one more time as well. That way people can go ahead and, because this one's a little bit more, you just have to pay attention just a teeny bit more. So you take it, you'll wrap it around the finger, and then you push this in. You create like a little hole. You push that in, and then once you make the knot, you take this and you push it up. And then when you're finished, it'll look like so. There we go, right there. This is the knot lace, guys. Let me know how you feel about this one. I'm actually gonna go behind the camera right now, and well, I am behind the camera, excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put these on feet so we can see what they look like on feet. And here we go. All right, guys, here we go. This is the last lace style, the knot lace, and this one looks good too on the Air Jordan 4. This one looks good too. Still think the bunny lace looks really good, but like I said, you see how we went ahead and we didn't have it too tight, we didn't have it too loose. It's just kind of perfect. When you get all the way there, it kind of like, you're kind of like, when you get to the very top, you just have to make that little knot and it sits there. I feel like when you make the knot and you let it sit there, it looks really good. You can even adjust it too to your liking. You just have to go back and adjust it. And for the most part, I feel like this one looks really, really nice. Like, now I know there's a lot different lace styles out there, but these are just the 3 ones that are easier that I do. That way it can help you guys out too, because some of the laces I be seeing, I'm like, whoa, y'all be having these things choked up to the actual brim. Like, we can't have that. But here we go, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the knot lace. I'm gonna go ahead and cut back to the footage and we'll end the video off. Let's go. And boom, there we go, guys. That was the 3 ways of how I laced up the Air Jordan 4 white cement. In my opinion, the lace style I'm going with is the bunny lace. I like the way it just sits right there on the entirety of the shoe. I feel like it complements it well. Also, the knot lace is nice too, a different touch, not hard to do as well, but the bunny lace for me when it comes to these white cements is a different one in my opinion. But do let me know what one's your favorite lace style. I greatly appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching all the way through to the video. It means so much to me. There's a lot more videos coming out for this year. Get ready. I think we got what? With this month ending, I think we got the Rare Air 3s coming out. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get a video upload on those because I know a lot of you guys have been asking me as well, but I'll try my best to. Remember, guys, there's only ever be one you. Be the best you. I love y'all so, so much. Let me know which one was your favorite lace style, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace, guys.